This hands-on instructional video shows how to insert K-Patent's Safe Drive Process Refractometer PR-23-SD Generation 2.1 sensor to pressurized process line. Before commissioning work, please make sure you have proper personal protective clothes and correct tools at hand. Never operate the safe drive system alone. Insert the sensor into inner casing. Make sure that the sensor cable gland has been taken off. Match the bayonet closing with sensor flange so that the latch is slightly to the left of the top. When sensor flange is flush with the bottom of inner casing, rotate inner casing 60 degrees clockwise, push down locking latch to secure the connection. Fit outer casing over inner casing. To match the casings, check that the rail on the outer casing matches the groove on inner casing. Turn the hand wheel clockwise until it stops to draw the inner casing with sensor into outer casing. The sensor should now be inside retractor. Unlock the latch on outer casing. Take a firm hold of the hand wheel and handle and lift retractor with sensor over the isolation valve flange. Keep handle up. Open latch. Rotate outer casing 60 degrees clockwise to lock the bayonet. Lock outer casing latch. Insert safety pin with safety clip. Safety pin must be locked. This is a checkpoint. Do not proceed until you have successfully locked the safety pin. Close the blowout ball valve under isolation valve. Lift up the isolation valve handle locking plate. Open isolation valve by turning the valve handle 90 degrees. Turn the hand wheel counterclockwise until it stops. Fit the 4 M12 nuts to the bolts holding the sensor to isolation valve and screw them on with a 19 mm or 3/4 inch wrench. This is a checkpoint. Do not proceed until you have successfully completed this step. Remove the safety clip and then remove the safety pin. Turn the wheel 90 degrees counterclockwise. Open the locking latch on outer casing. Rotate outer casing handle 60 degrees counterclockwise. Turn the hand wheel counterclockwise to drop the thread. Lift off outer casing. Lift up the latch of inner casing to unlock it. Rotate the casing 60 degrees counterclockwise to release it from the flange. Push the interconnecting cable through the cable gland and into the sensor. Connect the interconnecting cable to the sensor. Tighten the cable gland onto the sensor. Fit the nameplate with gasket onto the sensor and screw it on. Turn on DTR power to power up the safe drive system. Open wash valve. For more information, visit kpatents.com.